Hi Krishna, welcome to my channel in Excel Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the save and publish option from MS Excel. So let's start with the video. First I need to open the Excel. So let's do that. So Excel. So once this is open, you can see new blank, then monthly budget, all this stuff we have already discussed in my last video. So today I'm going to discuss with you with these options over here. You can see open. So if I click here open, so it will give you options from which file, from where you have to open. So first option is workbooks. So here you can get the option like what are the Excel file you can open from here. This is option 1. And then folders, what are the folders you have already accessed, from there you can open the file. So likewise this one is done. Next, so here you can see OneDrive, right? So here whatever files you have already uploaded to the cloud, from there you can open the file from here. So like here it is attachment is there, you can see nothing is there though. Then desktop, these are the all cloud part, so from there also you can open. Then we can come to this PC. So from here we can open as we are already opening. Then add a place, we can add a place to my cloud and also to my business if I have any account on that. Now come to browse option. So this is already we know from where we want to open the file. So like if I go here desktop, so from here I can open any file like this, right? So that is all about this part. Next we'll come to account. Now as you can see in the left hand side that account information is been given. So where you have to keep your Hotmail ID, because Microsoft products, those are the products available in Microsoft, they are preferring either you have Outlook account or Hotmail account. Like Google or Gmail, it is there, right? In case of Gmail or Google, you are using gmail.com. so here also for Microsoft you can use this Outlook or hotmail.com. so these are my account. So here this one, then privacy, and the office background you can change here whatever background I want to, so I can change it. Like you can see on the top screen here it is changing, right? So like that I can change it. And also I can change the theme, whatever theme I want to have, black, white. So I'm right now using this one, so let it be. And then you have this OneDrive part. So here you can add a service. If I want to add a service like any storage you have in OneDrive, and like just previously I have shown you a business you can add that. And the right hand side you can see product information, right? Here it is the licensing part. You can see the product name is LTSC Professional Plus 221, and then this is the update options you are having. Then get add-ins, here the add-in options are available, and this is about Excel. So that is all about this part. Okay, it's kind of info you can see. So now I am going to open one new file. Okay, so just double click here and then here, so it is opened. Now come here, this file part. Here you can see info also, I have just described, right? So here you can protect your workbook, like you have to give any password, you can give it from here, whatever you want. Then inspect workbook, you can inspect a document, you can check the document, its compatibility also it can check from here. Then manage workbook, you can recover the unsaved workbook from here and also delete. Okay, then browse view options, here entire Excel, you can change the sheets also, whatever you want to view that you can also do from here. And there are certain parameters also you can add if you want. Then it comes to save. So here you can save a document, right? So these are the options you can see. OneDrive, you can save the document, OneDrive personal. Then share, so if I want to share the document, let me go back, then I will show you. Now save, this one part. Then comes here save as part. Save as, you can see share, right? So save as also you can open from your keyboard with using F12 key, and some keyboards are working with function plus F12, so both we have to press simultaneously together and then it will open like this, save as. So I'm just showing you that also. So here let me finish this one. Share options are there, So you can share the document like this, save as to cloud, and any other option available also you can do. Okay, so this is one part. Another one is, if I go to save as, you can see copy link. You can copy the link and you can share the link as well. If you are working in corporate, that is also possible. Then come to this PC. Now here you can save the file as per your requirement, which drive, which location you want to save, that you can do. Then again add place as I have just discussed, and then browse. So these are all basic options they have given, like previous I have just discussed. Now come to this part, as PDF. Now if you click here, this document will be saved as PDF. Because I don't have the full version of it, it's showing like this, but if you have full version of the PDF, so you'll get the PDF version from this. Then come to print. So print, you can do the document printing over here. Any document you can select, you can change the printer configuration from here. Whatever printer you have, that configuration can be changed from here. And then page selection is there also, you can do that and then get the print. Also page setup is available. Then come to share. Here you can share with people. The document can be shared with people, like you can save it to cloud like OneDrive, or if you want you can share with SharePoint. Most of the people that work in corporate, they know what is SharePoint, so there you can share also. Then email. So if you want to email the document as attachment, so for that this option can be used. Then send as PDF, another option. Send as XPS is almost like PDF, but it's given by Microsoft. It's PDF for third-party tool, and this is for Microsoft. Then comes to send as fax. You can Indian fax also you can do. And then you have the options like create PDF and share link. So you can create the PDF and share the link as well for this document, particularly if you want to do. And then we move on to more. Okay, so more, if I come here and go to this export part, you can see other options are available, like just previously I have told you. So create PDF file, it will create the PDF. Create XPS document, it will create the XPS document. Now change the file type, it is very important. So here you can change the file type if you want. Like currently we are using XLX format. Previously it was XLS. Now in the new format we are using XLX. So like that, this document you can format it as 97/2003 version. Then ODS version, which is open document spreadsheet. Then template, you can save as template. Then macros if you want. Then binary, and these are text document. What is the benefit of text document? Suppose you are having 2 GB of file, so that file cannot be sent through your email or through WhatsApp because it is very big file, so that will be difficult for to share the document. So in that case we can do it as we want the data, right? So data can be minimized with the size. So if I have the data and if I save it like text file, it will be come down to like 10 MB or 25 MB like that. So data is available as same, but the size will be different. So that's why it is very important to use. Then you can use CSV file also. It is important for third-party tools, like any other software you want to export it. So in that case you want to save it as CSV, then export it to that particular software. That is also one part. Any format text you want to do, if you want to save it as formatted text, then you have to save it as PRN format, then save as another file type, that also you can do, and then save as. So these are the options available with us. Okay, so that's all first for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet you soon with another video with interesting topic of Excel. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol.